Hey everyone, are you thinking about deleting your Qwenlm.Ai account but unsure how to do it? Don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we will walk you through the process of deleting your account step by step. First of all, let's go Qwenlm.Ai website. And always make sure that you have logged into your account. If you haven't, simply log into your account. Once you have logged in, you can see this type of interface. Now tap on profile icon, which is in top right corner. It's over here. Tap on it. This open up you an option for setting. Tap on setting. That will take you to the settings section, and on the setting you can see a lot of options. There's general, interface, model, chats, images, account and about. What we need right now to delete the account is account. Tap on account and this will open this window, and over here under change password you can see an option for delete account. Tap on delete account, which is over here in red. Tap on it. Pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm that you want to delete your account, and here's a warning too. Once the account is deleted, all data associated with the account will be permanently removed and cannot be recovered. If you don't want this data to be deleted, you can export your chat first and confirm the deletion process. So let's proceed. Tap on confirm. And that's it, your Qwenlm.Ai account has been deleted. If you have any further question or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to Qwenlm.Ai's customer support team. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.